Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word excess. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She was penalized for the excess baggage she was carrying on the flight. Excess refers to an amount that exceeds what is necessary or acceptable, often leading to repercussions or negative consequences. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.